Hey guys, we have this Jaguar over here, and you can see that the front windshield is removed because basically the base over here that is for the window, I don't know how and when, but the paint came off the metal, so the glue wasn't able to hold the window in place anymore. So we had to take the window down and prepare the frame once again. This is primer that you are seeing over here, and we are ready to mount the window. The glue is already in place, so yeah, we are gonna install the window on the car, so enjoy. Okay guys, so the window is already mounted, and we actually made this seal type over here because there is a significant gap between the window and the body of the car, and usually there is this rubber seal, but we wanted to make something special, so yeah, this is it. Well guys, the car is finished, everything is assembled. You can see how it looks like now. Everything fits, very nice. So yeah, I hope that this was interesting and helpful to you. If this is the case, you may consider subscribing, sharing, commenting, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!